Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Eluru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Trio. I purchased this lip trio from Ulta for $29 with my own money. I just wanted to quickly swatch it and share it with all of you who are wondering about these. And they come packaged like so. There's 3 different shades in here like I mentioned. There's Buttered Rum, Mary Martini, and Holiday Spritz. I am gonna start out with the shade Buttered Rum. And let me open this packaging. This is how it looks, and there's at the bottom there's a part that you will press to push the product up in here, which is very, very lovely. Let's get into this Buttered Rum. This is a beautiful neutral color, just like a hint of brown in here, but it does show up on the lips really, really neutral and beautiful. And like I said, it is really, really comfortable and soft. If you're used to the Tarte Maracuja lip products, this is the same formula. Next we're gonna get into the shade Mary Martini. Same packaging as the other one. Press the bottom to get it to go on. This is a pretty red color. It's not sticky at all. It's super, super smooth and soft. Like if you have dried lips, this is the perfect thing for you. Very lightly tinted in color. It's not super red or anything. And last but not least, we have the shade Holiday Spritz. They're all really, really neutral colors. They're super soft on the lips, super easy to apply. It's nothing bad I can say about these. If you do have dried lips and you're looking for something, for dry lips, I will highly recommend this set, as it is a beautiful, beautiful everyday set that you can use. The formula is amazing. It's super soft. I don't feel like I can say that enough. And if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this new lip trio, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.